Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to thank to Memianti Ismiati as our lecturer for this subject, Sociolinguistic. My name is Maharani Kirana Putri. And in this video, I want to explain the material about diglossia. What is diglossia? Diglossia is a situation in which two dialect or languages are used by a single language community. The word diglossia derived from the Greek word diglossos, meaning bilingual based on the pattern of French diglossie. Definition of diglossia. Diglossia is the characteristic of a speech community, group of people with common rule of speaking rather than individuality. Varieties of diglossia. Diglossia has two types of variety. High variety or formal, official, professional. Low variety or informal, friendly, slang, and vulgar. Function of diglossia. Diglossia is different from bilingualism. Diglossia has H and L variety that are used for different purpose. H is a more formal variety and L is used for less politically important function. They have their respective domain in which they are normally used. Acquisition. L variety is usually acquired as a first language, while H variety is learned through schooling in a formal education setting. Standardization. H is strictly standardized. Grammar and dictionary are written by native grammarists in H variety. L is rarely standardized. Grammar of L variety are usually written by foreign. Lexicon. Lexicon is often somewhat shared, but generally there is differentiation. H has vocabulary that L lack, and vice versa. Their per lexical item. L and H have different terms from the same object. Function of diglossia. In high variety, speech and parliament, political speech, university lecture, new broadcast, newspaper editorial, news story, caption and picture, poetry, novel, prose, court of government office. Function of diglossia in low variety, personal letter, conversation with family, friend, college, radio, soap opera, caption in political cartoon, conversation in tea stall, folk literature. Example of diglossia in media Europe, Latin was the H variety alongside the other languages such as Italian, Spanish, and French. In Swiss, German country, the student will use standard German in their school because mostly the books and newspaper that they use standard German. But when they get home, they will switch their language and use to local Swiss German in their home as the dialect on daily conversation. And last conclusion, the conclusion about diglossia is that it is a linguistic phenomenon where two different language varieties or dialect are used within a society, typical serving distinct social function and context. The high or formal variety is often used in official situation, such as education and media, while the low or informal variety is used in everyday conversation. Understanding diglossia is important for grasping the dynamics of language, social identify, and culture interaction, as well as for developing effective educational strategies and supporting language preservation. Uh, that's all enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.